I'm here with Aunty Pravina and today we are cooking chili chicken, Indian style. Now she breaks down the recipe and shows us how to cook it. Now I don't eat hot food.
Oh, pudina chutney is hot.
Will I survive? Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe! Good morning Aunty Pravina, how are you?
Good morning, Samir. I am fine.
Hey, you have a new stove?
Yeah, I
What
just
happened?
bought. My stove blew off on Saturday, so I was a little bit depressed. And then I said, "Why are you depressed?" I said, "My stove blew off now." So he said to me, "Okay, let's go and get one." So we went to Hirsch. We got one, but it was a little difficult to operate.
Right.
Maybe here and there I'm going to make a mistake with my stove.
No, it's okay. But now as you told me this, I have a theory, right? Maybe people are putting ice on your stove and then your stove stopped working. That is my theory. But anyway, welcome to another video with Aunty Pravina, where we are cooking something different today.
We're making today chili chicken.
Is it like a paste? Is it like a curry or a chutney?
It's a curry, but very little masala.
Okay.
And more of green chilies, crushed dry chilies, which I do my own.
Right.
And curry leaf and all the stuff, but it's very little of masala. The ingredients is the same as every other that I do.
Okay. Let's talk about the ingredients. What do we have?
Ingredients,
Yeah.
let's go ahead. We have got curry leaf here. We have got bay leaf. We have got onion.
How much onion?
One onion I put.
Okay.
Because we're not putting any potatoes, which is your favorite.
Ah, damn it.
I can make potato curry,
No,
but
it's fine.
you'll
No,
have
it's okay.
boulders because the potatoes are like rock. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
tried to do something else because
Right.
the potatoes never cook soft. We got cinnamon stick, anise seed.
So it's like a few, or maybe like 3 cinnamon stick.
Yeah, I got crushed one, so I don't
Yeah.
really worry. And these are the clove, few clove. Yeah, I think that's about it there. Yeah, I've got crushed dry chilies, some cinnamon powder there, garam masala, soup here. Then I've got crushed green and red chilies here, some whole chilies there, garlic ginger there, crushed wood, curry leaf, thyme, and your dhania. I have got tomatoes, which is there, 2 tomatoes crushed. This is my mixed masala. I've got garam masala, I've got jeera powder, I've got soap powder, I got the hing there. But as I told in my other videos, please, whatever, if you want to use rombo rossi, you want to use Kashmiri, you want to use whatever, try it out because do your own experiments.
Yeah.
It's better if you do your own and learn from your own mistakes. I am just going to use the oil like this, but I will show you all in the pan how much of oil there is that. Put in my onions.
So one whole onion.
One whole onion I put. You can put half an onion, you can put quarter onion, it depending on your taste bud. What you want. Onion makes the curry a bit sweet,
Yeah.
but we're not going to have sweet, we're going to have nice pungent curry today.
Oh, today is one of those days.
My bay leaf, I'm putting some whole curry leaf here.
No, why? I think it's popping there.
It was a bit wet.
Oh, the curry leaf.
Yeah.
What's that?
My cinnamon powder. Although we used everything in the mix of this masala,
Yeah.
but I always prefer using it a bit on the outside. So you can see it sizzling.
Sizzling and smelling nice. That,
Yeah.
I can't get over that fact. Right? As soon as you put a little bit of onions and everything, you
Yeah,
can already
the
start.
smell actually comes from the anise seed, from the cinnamon sticks. It's not the onion so much.
How's the new stove?
It's brilliant.
This plate, center plate is big.
Because for my roti and for my big pots.
Yeah.
But all the plates work very, very well. I didn't know first what to do. That one trying to report. It took me like 1 hour. We putting on, off, on, off. I should went to the bathroom. He came back, and then he put it on. So last night I said, no, I don't want a failure on this. Let me just try and get this thing sorted out.
Yeah.
So
He installed it.
He installed it himself. Yeah. He's a jack of all trades.
Yeah, benefits
My
of
son.
being a...
My son. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, and another 3 spoon of my ginger garlic. 3 teaspoons there.
So your ginger garlic is like a mixture. There's a mix.
It's a mix. I already crushed it. It's always fresh. My dry chilies that is here.
It's like 2 teaspoons there.
It's about 1. So I just put a few of this.
Thyme.
The thyme. We put a little bit, I forgot to tell y'all, that in the chili chicken we use more of the haldi.
Haldi is turmeric.
put one, put another, so that makes two. This is the chicken that was washed. It was soaked with vinegar for an hour.
Yeah.
Always do that with chicken because there's so much of diseases breaking off now that you don't want to hit and miss with anything that is, going to affect anybody. That is all my
So that was
powders.
the cinnamon powder at the end.
Cinnamon powder, the jeera powder, and all my biryani spices. All.
Aunty Pravina, how much chicken?
Here, it was a whole chicken that I used,
whole chicken?
half, yeah. Nearly 3/4 of it I used.
Okay, so we're using 1 kg chicken.
And now I put my masala. I don't use a lot of masala, maybe two full teaspoons, or maybe three, I'll do 3. Now I will let it fry. So I think I'll also use my green chilies in this. So it can
So this is a
soak
mixture
better.
of green and red chilies.
Yes, it is, but you can only use the green because I had the red and the green together. So I used that. So now you can see that the salt
Right, the
is
color,
not
you were
added.
saying the color will change, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's
You see now, because we don't have our salt in, it doesn't look that appetizing. So now I'm going to add my salt. As I told, I use the cerebos so I don't empty into anything. So this will be a little bit of a problem. So I'm going to put it here.
You know how we tell
No,
her-
you
know every
can.
time I cook something, I don't put salt. And then after that, there, I realize, oh, damn it.
Okay,
Anyway.
when you don't put salt, from what you just said, you will see the color of the curry is different. It looks blank. Once you put the salt into it, you say, oh, this curry looks good. There is little difference in putting the salt and not putting the salt.
Okay, I need to pay attention next time because what I like what you're saying right now.
I will
never
not
really-
put the
I
salt,
never
and you will
noticed,
just see today. I will not put the salt for a little bit time, and you'll see once I put the salt, or if you don't put the tomatoes, for instance.
No, tomato changes the color.
Yeah, so you can put tomato, you can put also in chicken. A lot of people, even in meat, they use yogurt. So if you don't have tomatoes, as tomato prices are going up and the coriander is coming down.
Yeah.
So if you don't have tomato, you can always substitute it with the yogurt. Right, I'm going to use the teaspoon here because I will not be able to otherwise judge it with my hand.
Okay.
1, say 2 teaspoons here.
2 teaspoons salt.
Yeah, 2 teaspoons.
I'm
And
checking
some-
it's getting a bit darker. Like.
Yes, and you can see now by the color that you have added your salt. You don't have to start tasting it to see whether you put the salt,
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
put the salt or whatever.
The tomato will go first. I always, when I braise anything, I always put the tomato first.
Yeah, there is a way of doing it. There is lots of people, they do it that way.
Lots of
And-
people is me. Oh wait, you're supposed to braise when you braise meat, mutton, chicken. So you're supposed to put like onions and all the spices and then braise the meat so you like fry the meat currently.
Yes, for it to soak in.
And then you put the tomatoes.
And then you put the tomatoes.
Got you.
That is now the braising part. If you see now, you'll see how it is. Our
Roti.
Mealie Meal roti.
Yes, yes. So
Which-
today we're combining the chili chicken with Mealie Meal roti. As per your request, you guys have asked for the Mealie Meal roti. How much tomatoes?
2 tomatoes. Well, depending on the size, I had medium tomatoes, 2 grated tomatoes, that size. And if you don't have tomato, as I said, you can use the puree. Then I put my stove a little higher.
Okay, curry is cooked, so now you're adding dhania.
I'm adding the dhania and the thyme and whatever was left. This is the end result of my chili chicken. I hope you'll learn today a lot from it. And it's just so easy, but get the soft chicken. Don't go and get Cornish or Cow's or something because you can't make it with that.
But our chili chicken, which is ready to eat, and Mealie Meal roti. What chutney is this?
Nuts chutney with mint and dhania.
Podina chutney.
Podina chutney.
like how we say
Podina chutney! Say hello to Ashwin, who has joined us for lunch today.
I only come for the food.
Right, so we're enjoying this meal. We're gonna do a quick taster, and you're gonna go and watch the other video, or both the videos of the roti and the chili chicken. Aunty Pravina, you said today is gonna be hot food, like hot.
Chili chicken, but I know you don't eat so hot. So I think the pudina chutney will be more hotter than the curry.
Oh,
itself.
pudina chutney is hot.
Yeah, you can't
Okay.
have it mild because it doesn't taste good. So I don't know about the curry, how hot it is, but I tried to make it.
It's so tasty. Pudina chutney is hot. First time ever in my life I'm having pudina chutney. What is pudina chutney made of?
It's made of nuts, you roast the nuts, and then you crush it up with roasted dry chilies.
Man, I'm trying it coming through my nose.
Yes,
The
yeah.
heat is coming out through my nose.
And also,
Oh, it's flavorful.
yeah, and then you put your lemon. I use lemon. Lemon, and then you use quite a few things like pudina, your green chilies, your garlic. There is everything that you crush it, and then you put your lemon and your salt and you mix it up.
So that I like the flavor that it's giving, the heat, the pudina chutney. The Mealie Meal roti, it has a very slight difference in taste compared to normal
Yes,
roti.
it does. It does because it's with Mealie Meal. It's not like the plain roti you eat. That's why people love Mealie Meal roti, but they can't make it. So sad.
Well,
But I think today they have learned something.
yeah,
I've shared it to them
this is
at
such
large.
at large.
Yeah. So
This is such a good meal. Maybe one day we'll make that
it's a procedure.
pudina chutney. Yeah, that'll be a laka one. Okay, guys, we're gonna chow. Take care and make sure you subscribe. Thank you, Aunty Pravina, for this
Thank
amazing
you.
chow.
Bye. You make that and make sure you'll eat and send the
Like,
video.
share, and
And the
comment.
pictures. And thank you, Ashwin, for making an appearance. Cheers, guys. Stay tuned for the next video where we cook Mealie Meal roti from scratch. We show you the entire procedure. So that video is coming soon. Make sure you check it out.